beat.
Set amid some of the most dramatic coastline in the world, Cinque Terre is a cluster of 5 colorful fishing villages located in northwestern Italy. While Cinque Terre isn't the undiscovered Eden it once was, it's still a place that should be on everyone's bucket list. Meandering paths traverse seemingly impregnable cliffs, while a 19th century rail line through coastal tunnels ferry visitors from village to village. Thankfully, you won't have to contend with cars, as these villages are pedestrian only. While 48 hours is enough time to soak up the scenery, you'll likely wish you had spent more time. Cinque Terre dates to early medieval times. While much of the fetching architecture remains, Cinque Terre's unique draw is the steeply terraced cliffs, bisected by a complicated system of fields and gardens that have been chiseled and shaped over the course of nearly 2 millennia. If you only have 48 hours in Cinque Terre, I highly recommend taking a tour by water in a private boat rather than going on one of these larger cruise tours. The hotels in these 5 fantastic villages can be quite expensive. A better option is an Airbnb. We found an incredible place in Rio Maggiore. If you want to splurge one day at a fantastic restaurant with an incredible view, check out Torre Aurora. Many of the beaches are a bit rocky, so if you want sand, head over to Monterosso. Not a secret spot by a long shot, but definitely the best beach in Cinque Terre. Don't be tempted to just stay within your village. Take advantage of the train to explore the uniqueness of the others. Well, that's a look at Cinque Terre in northwestern Italy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more road trip travel videos. So until next time, we'll see you on the road.
MacRoadTrip.com